I've made some of my most favorite memories here with the teachers, with my friends, and I've definitely learned some lifelong lessons that I can take forward. The international environment is something that is very important because you're able to learn about new cultures, you can learn about new ways of thinking, and you can learn about how to communicate. I think the most important thing to me in this school is the diversity. The teachers, they helped us a lot in understanding exactly how to get the content right, understanding what a future in medicine would be like, and that's something I'm very grateful for. I knew I wanted to go into the sciences, so the school really helped me to actually focus on what exactly in the sciences I wanted to do, and that's how I understood that I really did like medicine. It was something I did want to pursue in the future.